So Codesync Club is a platform where you can learn coding through interactive AI courses. So today we're going to cover 3 courses. So we'll start with a snake game where you can learn how to build a snake game.
Hello and welcome to this incredible journey where we'll build a complete snake game from absolutely nothing. I want you to understand that what we're about to do together is genuinely amazing.
So I'm going to
You're
skip
going
through
to start with
chapters in the
blank
course.
files and end up with a fully functional game that people will. Now we're going to add the actual content that players will.
So I'm
Now we're going.
take you to the end
Our
of the course.
now we need. Our snake needs food to
Basically,
eat
with
and
each
grow,
chapter, we
so
are
we need a
adding,
function that places food randomly on our game
code
board.
snippets.
This function introduces several. The game loop is before we can draw each. This is the most common. These functions demonstrate how we translate abstract game data into concrete visual representation. These 2 functions handle critical. This section demonstrates. This final
So this
line
is the
might
last
seem
chapter.
insignificant, but it's important for creating a polished user experience. When players first visit our game page, they should immediately see a clean, professional-looking game board, rather than a stark white canvas. Clear canvas, parentheses, calls. Understanding these patterns will help you build much more complex applications. These same concepts power everything from simple mobile games to massive multiplayer online games to business applications.
So once the course is over, you can basically practice coding here. You can change different elements in the editor. So now we're going to move to another course. This basically teaches how to create a disappearing header on scroll. This course is in Hindi.
अब हम हेडर बनाते हैं। आज हम एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और प्रैक्टिकल फीचर सीखेंगे, एक डिसअपीयरिंग स्क्रॉलिंग हेडर। मतलब जब आप स्क्रॉल करोगे पेज को तो हेडर गायब हो जाएगा, और फिर जब आप वापस ऊपर की तरफ स्क्रॉल करोगे तो हेडर फिर से दिख जाएगा। अब हम हेडर बनाते हैं। अब हम हेडर को स्टाइल करते हैं। अब हेडर के अब स्पैन टैग। अब हम मेन कंटेंट सेक्शन को अब हम मीडिया क्वेरी ऐड करते हैं छोटी स्क्रीन्स के लिए। ऐड मीडिया रूल कंडीशनल CSS है। यह तब अप्लाई होता है जब सर्टेन कंडीशंस मीट हों। ऑल मींस ये रूल सारी डिवाइस टाइप्स।
And finally, we're going to cover a course we recently created. It's a non-coding course. It's a course about first principles.
Welcome to First Principle Thinking to solve problems. Today we're learning one of the most powerful problem-solving methods used by great thinkers like Elon Musk, Aristotle, and top engineers. Let me explain first principle thinking using a simple example everyone can understand. Looking at our slide, imagine you want to eat pizza, but it costs $20 for. Most people don't use first principle thinking because it requires more mental effort than following what others do. Looking at our slide, you can see why this happens and why it matters. Our brains are designed to save energy, so we naturally.
So apart from the courses, we also have a mentorship program where you can build an app using no-code tools with an experienced mentor who will work with you and help you build the app.